Ho, 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 ho! Hi, friends, it's your old pal Singing Santa, coming to you live from the North Pole. Today we're going to read a beautiful Christmas story. It's called Narwhal's Christmas Wish. Let's go on a reading adventure right now. Ho, 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 ho! On Christmas Eve, animals crowded the North Pole as Santa prepared for the big night. Nigel Narwhal gasped, "That present is glowing." "It's someone's true Christmas wish," Finny Fox explained. "It's the most special thing someone could wish for." Nigel closed his eyes, dreaming. My true Christmas wish is to be one of Santa's helpers. He imagined himself leading a team, pulling Santa across the seas. Bella Beluga laughed. "Santa doesn't go in the water." "Reindeer and elves are Santa's helpers," Finny said, "not narwhals." "Your great big tusk would get in the way like it always does." Nigel sighed. "You're right. I'll never get my true Christmas wish." "Don't feel bad," Flinny said. "Santa can only deliver a few each year because they take so much time and work to grant." "Sometimes magic, too," said Bella. Santa climbed onto the sleigh. "Let time freeze and currents speed on this magical night." Bells jingled, ho, 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 as his reindeer sped toward the stars. Everyone cheered. "See you tomorrow, Santa." Something bright tumbled from the sleigh. Splash! "It's a true Christmas wish," Mrs. Claus said. "Strange, all the presents always fit in Santa's never-ending bag. What a shame." Nigel's wish couldn't come true, but he wouldn't let that happen to anyone else. "I'll deliver it." "How?" Bella asked. "You haven't been trained," Flinley said. "You can't." "I must try." "Excellent," said Mrs. Claus. "Tonight's fast Christmas Eve currents will lead you. Good luck." Whoosh! Far, far, far he traveled through the cold, dark waters. Nigel shivered. He wanted to go home. Santa's helpers wouldn't quit if they were scared, so he found some company. Rush! On and on through waves and swells until Nigel was tired. He didn't think he could swim another minute. Santa has a bigger team, so he asked for more help. Zoom further and further beyond rifts and reefs until Nigel lost the current. He didn't know where to go. Santa leads his helpers, so he found someone to get him back on track. Soon, the ice was melted. Just checking to see if we missed a page. I don't think so. Soon, the ice was melted. How could he deliver the present now? His friends were right. He couldn't do this. Or could he? With my great big tusk. The magical Christmas Eve current led him to a dock. "I'm waiting for Santa. Are you one of his helpers?" "No, I'm just dropping this off for Riley Jackson." "Hey, that's me. Thanks." Nigel's heart was full. Merry Christmas. "Why is your tusk glowing?" "It is? Wow, I have no idea." Nigel said goodbye and rode a current back to the North Pole, wondering about his tusk. He got there just as Santa arrived. "How did it go?" Mrs. Claus asked. "Excellent, but I lost someone's true Christmas wish," Santa frowned. "Don't worry," Nigel said. "I delivered it." Ho, 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 ho! Wonderful! You made 2 true Christmas wishes come true. Nigel was confused. "No, just one." Santa's eyes twinkled. "You made a wish too." "Yes, but a narwhal can't be one of Santa's helpers." Santa smiled. "Anyone who helps make Christmas special is one of my helpers, and tonight I needed a narwhal with a great big tusk to help. So that's why my tusk is glowing. Yes, your true Christmas wish was granted." Nigel's friends cheered. I'm one of Santa's helpers, Nigel cried. Good thing, Santa winked. What if this happens again next year? Ho, 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 ho. Oh, what a great story. Don't you just love Nigel? Nigel the Narwhal. Oh, I love him. Hey, I want to thank you so much for reading with me today. Again, my name is Singing Santa. On this channel, I post a brand new Christmas story or Christmas song every day of the week. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and let's keep the spirit of Christmas in our hearts 365 days a year. I'll see you again real soon. Bye. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Subscribe now. It's free. Ho, 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 ho.